Kaspa will make millionaires in the upcoming bull market, and in this video, we're going to be talking more on that. And I'm also going to be covering some of the latest news regarding the project. So make sure you guys watch this entire video. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into it. If you want to make massive money while trading crypto, make sure you guys sign up for my trade saver group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. Here are some of the results which we are able to generate in my group, and if you guys want to achieve similar results for yourself, make sure you guys join up as soon as possible. We have members in my group who are making $5,000 to about $10,000 every single month simply by following my trade calls. So make sure you guys are on the lookout and make sure you guys grab the opportunity as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. Anyways guys, now let's jump back to Kaspa and let me show you what the charts are showing us. So in my last video, I had mentioned to you that the most important resistance level for Kaspa is going to be this level right over here, as well as this level over here as well. I believe Kaspa in the upcoming days is going to be breaking above this resistance level right over here at a price of about 0.1577. After it breaks above this, we are going to be seeing a dynamic movement to in between these two levels, where Kaspa is going to be trying to break this important resistance level at a price of about 0.19, which is also the recent all-time high for Kaspa's project. As you can see that we were getting some really huge selling pressure on Kaspa and we were falling down for the longest time. But right now, as you can see, we have shifted from the selling pressure and we have got a bullish divergence right over here, shifting from a selling pressure market to a buying pressure market, which is really good news regarding Kaspa. Also guys, Kaspa now has a all-time new hash rate of 200, which is really amazing, and I believe the price will follow this as well. We have seen this time and time and again. The price of Kaspa basically correlates with the amount of hash rate it is generating. Right now we are at an all-time high, and it's safe to say that Kaspa is also going to be running to an all-time high and breaking its previous all-time highs right over here. If you ask me, I personally believe that Kaspa has the potential to reach a price target of about 0.25, which is about a 73% move from the current price points. Apart from this guys, Kaspa emerges as the leading daily mining revenue generator following Bitcoin. With Bitcoin daily emissions at $44 million, Kaspa takes the spotlight. As you can see right over here that Kaspa is following the same footsteps of Bitcoin, which is really good to see. And I believe things are going to be running towards the upside for Kaspa really soon, because a lot of people are getting into the project, a lot of people are investing into the project, and in due time when we are going to be seeing more and more tier 1 listings, we're going to be seeing the price of Kaspa going through the roof and reaching new all-time highs as well. Another thing is that guys, I think that the flipping is not going to be between Ethereum, or say between Ethereum and Bitcoin, but instead guys, maybe the real flipping is going to be in terms of technology. It might be between blockchain technology, on which basically Ethereum and let's say Bitcoin are working on, and between block DAG protocol, on which Kaspa is running onto. Now, with the smart contracts under development by Kaspa KEF, which is the Kaspa Economic Foundation, Kaspa Ecosystem Foundation for Kaspa currency, I think Kaspa will be the first proof of work coin with limited supply, both solving the trilemma and offering its innovative network for interesting tokens slash stablecoins. Kaspa will be everything in crypto, and this is what a lot of people are missing out on as well. We basically have two types of systems right over here. One is Bitcoin, which is only handling payments as of right now, but on the other hand we have projects like Ethereum, Solana, AVAX, Cardano, which have multiple projects building beneath them. I believe this is what is going to be happening with Kaspa, because Kaspa is correlating with both of these massive industries. It is a really good blockchain to basically do all sorts of transactions at a limited price, but it is also enabling people to build a lot of applications beneath the Kaspa foundation, which is going to be really good as well. Now, another thing is that, guys, if you want to know more about the Casper Ecosystem Foundation, make sure you guys are tuning in on Tuesday, March 26th, which is tomorrow. A lot of new information about Casper is going to be coming into play, and I think if you guys are interested into Casper, you guys should be keeping a close eye onto this Twitter space and join in. I will be joining in as well, so make sure you guys join up as soon as possible, as soon as this host is gonna be coming out. Three things that are now sufficiently clear for the Casper projects is that, first of all, Casper currency is an excellent payment system. This is what we have been running time and time and again and again. I mean, the project can be really, really good. It can offer tons of utilities, but if it's not an excellent payment system, if it does not offer secure transactions and really fast transactions at a lower cost, I don't really think a project can be really, really successful at all. So Kaspa is a blockchain, or say a crypto project, which is offering really, really smooth and fast transactions, which are both secure and are also taking really, really less amounts of your money, which is something all of us people in crypto really, really want. Second thing, guys, the smart contracts on Kaspa will revolutionize the way we think about computing on chain. More and more information is going to be coming out on smart contracts on Kaspa, so make sure you guys on the lookout for that as well. Third thing is that the day is not far off when Casper will function as the perfect roll-up on any chain to handle most of the transactional workload at a negligible cost. This is exactly what I was talking about as well. I mean, right now, even basically everyone can practically build a crypto project which can do some sorts of transactions, but the thing which differentiates Casper from all those crypto projects out there, and even Bitcoin and Ethereum, is that it is going to be able to handle a lot of transactional workload, but that too at a negligible cost without compromising any sort of security and privacy, which is really, really good. I can smell the adoption coming for Cas for a mile away. Ethereum is a total mess, relying on layer 2 right now. No idea why Sol is popular. Uses for the first time since 2022 today. Failed transactions still too slow, waiting for confirmed transactions. It's all there for taking if done right. And this is what we should be, looking out for as well. Problems. Solana is a very good cryptocurrency. It is one of the best right now for doing all sorts of transactions. But guys, even though that Solana is popular, it is not really very good for doing transactions, because it is very, really slow. The network outages still happen here and there, and it is not a really good foundation to build upon our transaction systems in this Web3 ecosystem. Lock your emotion, guys, in a cold storage with your Casper coins, and thank yourself in few years, because yes, Casper is going to be making you a millionaire in the upcoming bull market rally if you guys just follow along. It has only been a few times since Casper has launched, but as you can see, Casper has already provided returns of over 162x on its early investors. I'm not really sure how many of you had bought in right over here, but I think most of you people might have bought in at these price points right over here at a price of about 0.04. I still believe Caspa has long ways to go. I believe Caspa has the potential to reach $1 and even go beyond that. If you personally ask me, I believe, and my personal target for Caspa is at about 1.5 to about $2. Once Caspa gets to $1.5, that is going to be the time when I'm going to be starting to offload my bags one by one. It's not going to be like in a single time, but I'm going to be dollar cost averaging out daily. That way I'm not losing out on a lot of gains, but that way I'm not really I'm cutting my losses short as well. And this is what, guys, what personally my strategy is. If you guys have got some other strategy in your mind, make sure you guys comment it down below. I'll be on the lookout and read all of your comments, and also make sure you guys tell me what your personal targets for gas for the upcoming bull market run are. As always, I'll catch you tomorrow with another video. Hope you all have an amazing day ahead. Peace out.